4 key factors help PVC factory produce high quality, colorful, high volume soft PVC keychains. High efficiency, low labor, no material waste, 6,000 patches per day. Discover how our PVC factory manufactures large volume, vibrant, soft PVC keychains with stable quality and excellent durability. In this video, we showcase our fully automated PVC keychain production line built for high efficiency, precision, and mass production. Key production advantages. Number 1 to 18 color automatic PVC dispensing machine ensures highly detailed, multicolor keychain designs with consistent color accuracy and sharp edges. Number 2, high precision base filling system creates a strong, smooth, and durable base for each keychain, improving product lifespan and appearance. Number 3, intelligent PVC curing and cooling oven controls temperature precisely for fast curing, uniform heating, and stable product quality. Number 4, hydraulic press with hot and cold pressing functions provides perfect shaping, strong bonding, and smooth surface finishing, ensuring each keychain meets export quality standards. With only one operator managing the molds, the entire system runs continuously for 8 hours a day, producing up to 4,000–6,000 PVC keychains daily with 0 defects. That means no material waste, lower labor cost, and reliable large-scale supply for your brand. If you're looking for a professional solution to scale your PVC keychain production, this is how we do it.